Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Zilch card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your Zilch application on your iPhone. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, before adding your card, just make sure that your account is fully set up and verified. This is important for Apple Wallet to work properly. Now, when you go to the cards section, you just have to simply see your virtual Zilch card details. Now, when you are inside the details section, simply scroll down a bit and look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find this option, simply tap on it. Now, a card preview will appear on your screen. So, on that screen, simply look for the Add button on the top right hand corner. So, after tapping on it, your card will be basically added to your Apple Wallet. Now, if you don't see the Apple Wallet option there, just make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Also, you need to check if Apple Pay is supported in your region, as this feature may not be available everywhere. After adding the card, you can set it as your default payment method if you want faster checkouts. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.